All right, people, what I'm about to do is very dangerous. Please don't try this at home. Everybody ready? You ready, Dominic? Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Come on, Dominic. Get in the back. Okay, push Daddy. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Push.
Push, push, push. Dominic! Oh! Watch my garbage can.
Come on, then, push, push. Faster, faster. Come on, Dominic. Come on, faster. Faster. Push, push, push. Push, push, push.
Whoa!
Ouch. Yeah, that's stuck.
Daddy sucks.
All right. Almost to the finish line. My legs hurt.